Ate, count fried fish, ha?
Lagot ko yan, and you have to eat vegetables.
Na, vegetables.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to eat that. Yeah, so that they will grow older. I want to tell my mom to buy me one. Tita, ang corn na yan ay for...
Look at Cadence. Yum.
You have to eat vegetables.
Like
Oh,
Cadence,
kulang pa.
right?
Taron lang.
Like Ate Cadence. Okay, baby Lil J?
She's not my ate right here.
Di na yun mo.
Dari, tapos dari. Sampo, palaka.
Palangoy-langoy.
Pataas, pababa, paikot-ikot lang. Ang sabi na nanay, patuloy na kayo. Pero sabing tao ko, ayaw ko.
Naway nga purma na ta, kaon na ta.
Nanay,
Yes.
nanay, ang kaling tita sa, ang kaling tita. Si nanay.
Yun na!